The J.J. Keller Encompass Platform is the industry's trusted fleet management solution to meet driver and vehicle DOT compliance requirements. This video demonstrates how the Encompass Platform helps you protect your fleet investment with Encompass Vehicle Management and the Encompass DVIR mobile app. Encompass is a secure platform for vehicle compliance and record keeping. It helps you maintain your vehicles through inspections and maintenance tracking, which reduces violations at roadside inspections and keeps CSA scores low. Encompass gives you the power to create custom maintenance processes for different types of equipment, get notifications for scheduled PMs and annual inspections, and quickly take care of defects and missing DVIRs. With the Encompass DVIR mobile app, it's easy for drivers to conduct daily inspections. Data is sent to Encompass, where fleet managers can review vehicle conditions and schedule repairs as needed. Encompass also helps you comply with DOT and company-specific requirements and easily manages vehicle record keeping, including legalization records like DOT authority, permits, certificates, and registrations, vehicle inspection records, internal and external repair orders and maintenance work, including costs for parts and labor, and roadside inspection data. Encompass is a powerful fleet management tool that connects the dots of all vehicle touchpoints, keeping you on top of each vehicle's status, including which ones are making and costing you money. Plus, Encompass helps you manage all aspects of DOT record keeping, including driver qualification, hiring, alcohol and drug program management, and accidents. Our mission is to help you effectively manage safety and risk, and to provide you with expertise in regulatory compliance and best practices. The Encompass cloud-based fleet management system is built for your company's growth. Call today and learn how Encompass can help you manage your fleet more effectively.